Okay, hello everybody. I am trying on my headphones now, so let's see if the sound is a little better. I'll get a better microphone later, but okay. So Bellatrix LeStrange, okay. Harry Potter doll. From this, what's the actress's name? Oh my god, I don't remember her name. So now I've checked her name. Helena Bonham Carter, of course. The fun thing is, I noticed one thing here. It's just if you're a collector, you will notice these things, but if you're otherwise, maybe no. A couple of years ago, she was the fairy godmother in the Cinderella film, and she had these, her hands were like out differently. Like in this promo picture, they have used the body, the arms of how she looked in the fairy godmother doll, because I had that doll and it was, you couldn't pose it, the hands were always out like the arms were like this, couldn't pose it at all. But this doll doesn't have the hands out posed like that, so that's like a collector nerd stuff going on. They have the same face mold, and it's a good face mold, so that's great. But I found this very weird that they use this picture, because all collectors will look at it when it's selling and look, oh no, it's the same hands, you know. But it was a very beautiful doll, and I'm sorry, I think I sold that doll because nerd stuff. She's very beautiful. Some of these are selling out at times now, so let's see. I really love the Harry Potter films when they were new. I sometimes watch them. I watched 1 and 2 lately. She's in, I think, is she in 3 maybe? Can I open this without doing anything? So I got this. There was some dolls. Helena Bonham Carter. She's always like cool. And I'm happy that they have made her hair like real hair and everything, because some of the Harry Potter dolls are not too good. They have, some of them have the you know, that molded hair, and it's terrible. Molded beard even, which is even worse. Maybe, I don't know, depends. But if you have like a doll like Professor Dumbledore or Hagrid and a really long beard, you can't mold the beard. Like it's not, you need to make a real beard. You can't, I don't know what they were thinking. It's like, but well, maybe they didn't want people to like save Professor Dumbledore or something, I don't know. I like the hair. Of course, she's a witch with witchy kind of hair, so it's not very soft or beautiful like that, but it's great hair for the doll, for the purpose of the doll. And I really love the face. I'm happy they used the same face mold, but a bit different makeup, and she's jointed and she can move the arms. And what's this? This is her belt, and everything is like put together in a this like this. Okay, and it's good dress, layers, 2 layers, and a belt. And she is a very beautiful, cool witch. And so, if you get your hands on this one, and you like Harry Potter, and oh, she has nice feet, like they look like real feet. They're really nice feet, actually. I have never seen a Barbie doll with these lifelike feet. She look beautiful feet. Oh my, really nice feet. Like I feel like a weirdo, but come on, it's like, oh my, very lifelike feet. That was. Remember my own feet actually. I was like, what? That's my feet. What? I have the high ankles, like that, you know. So, well, she's a very beautiful doll. I like this one. It was a good buy. So if you find her, oh look, it's not see-through here. They just made it look like see-through fabric here, and that's good because it won't break as easily. So for it is still a play line. Of course, it's collector's line, but it's also play line. So that's great. And I will. The background, it's, I guess it's from the Wizard World. Contact the ministry if you have information. Forbidden Forest, Forbidden Hogwarts School List. Okay. Wizarding World, Harry Potter, Bellatrix LeStrange, Bellatrix Vendetta, Bellatrix Demons, Bellatrix in different languages. I can't read Russian. Sirius Black. Sirius Black. They just sold out from this one. So that was. I have Harry Potter in a different suit. I don't have Mary Granger because the only times I found her she was like full price and it's quite expensive here. So and what's this doll from? What year? Oh, let's see. I can't see it. Can you see it maybe? They resell these often. They often resell these like around Christmas and Halloween. So 2021. Well, it's quite new though. So yeah, at least they do here in Sweden and Finland. They resell some of the Harry Potter dolls around Christmas. They have like Christmas calendars. I know they have that around the world, but she's very nice, very beautiful Harry Potter doll, and I'm happy I got her. She has sorry, my hands. She has a beautiful makeup and beautiful features, as Helena Bonham Carter does, and I have some other. I have Harry Potter and Voldemort doll to open. It's a pack, and I have Minerva McGonagall to unpack and unbox. So, if you like Harry Potter and such, you can please like, subscribe, so you can watch them later. Okay, bye bye.